Hey, it is April 15th, 2013. Michael Olchuk in Saskatoon. Made modifications to the circuit for the, not the high voltage junction box, but for the motor. So there used to be a jumper. This jumper, right here, used to go between these two terminals. And now that cable comes out to here. This cable, again, comes out to here. So those two are the replacement of the jumper. That should actually be over there, but I don't have any more terminal posts to tie it to. And this is basically going to show us that the motor still turns in the same direction. And then after we're done, I'm going to interchange two terminals, A1, which is right there, and A2, which is right there. Switching the two of them around will cause the motor to turn the other direction, which is what I want to verify. I'm going to use this end here, exchange this with that, and that with this, and we should be good. Anyway, we're going to start up the system. Put my maintenance switch on. Turn the high voltage pack. Actually, I should turn power on to the controller and then turn on the high voltage pack. A little blinking light, which you can see over here. Once the blinking red light goes away, voltage is high enough, we can press on the gas, which is this switch right here. Get a contactor pull in, and then we rotate the accelerator. So as you can see, looking at the little yellow tape right here, camera girl, bad connection again. Anyway, let's see. Pissed me off. Anyway, that was the idea, is to show that it's turning, and it won't turn for me now. So, we'll shut this back off and figure out why. So there is your, slow that down, slow it down, so you can see it's turning counterclockwise. Okay, and then we'll wind up. Just for fun. Now we're going to change the wires around and show you again. Okay, this is just an intermediate video of what's going on. So this cable here, you can see the green dot, used to be right there where you can see the little orange lever off of my crescent wrench. So it was connected here, and that's this terminal right here on the motor. We're interchanging that one and this one. This one comes down to this connection right now. We're going to unbolt this, which is basically what the reversing contactor is going to do, and switch this one, and then connect this one up to here, and then verify that the motor turns clockwise. Just a bit of an update while I've got things apart. Okay, where's my lazy pointer? So you remember this new cable that we've added. Used to be a jumper. That one goes into there now. This other cable goes to here, which then goes back to here. So we are going to power up the controller, watch for the red light, turn on, so turn this on, that turns the controller on, you see the red light, turn this contactor on. When the red light goes away, we click this, which is the accelerator switch, turn the potentiometer for the accelerator, and this one will turn this direction. Okay, here we go. Okay, we have the blinking red light down here. We'll turn on the back. Watch for the blinking red light to go away. Down here. And it is off, and it's been on for a few seconds, so it's not in the middle of a blink. So we close the contactor, put our foot on the accelerator pedal, just gently, and then rotate the accelerator. And as you can see, it's now going clockwise, so we have verified that changing these two around will indeed change the rotation. And that's a wrap. We'll just wind it out because it's fun. Same thing, you see the little blinking light here, that's because I took my foot off the accelerator. It will not enable the controller again, even if I push this in, until after I've taken this accelerator down to 0 and started it back up again. Started it back up again, come on girl. That's just annoying. Apparently I didn't delay long enough. So we wind it out. Off the accelerator, and the blinking red light down there. We put our foot back on the accelerator. It says, "The heck with you." We've got to turn the accelerator down to 0 and then start back up. That's a safety feature on the controller's part. And that's a wrap.